In this video, we cover the following topics. Gum arabic is a type of removable resist that produces a softer edge when compared to masking fluid. The gum arabic is painted onto the surface of the paper. It's allowed to dry. Then, a layer of paint is gently applied over the area as one would normally paint over masking fluid. When the layer of paint is completely dry, the gum arabic is removed. This is done by wetting the area with a slightly damp brush and blotting, or lifting the area using clean water and absorbent towels until the gum arabic is completely removed. Gum arabic can also be used as a resist medium in watercolor painting, creating areas on the paper that repel paint and preserve the underlying surface. When applied to the paper and allowed to dry, gum arabic forms a water-soluble barrier that temporarily protects specific areas from pigment. This technique is perfect for creating highlights, intricate patterns, or textural effects in your artwork. This technique is ideal for preserving highlights or creating intricate designs that stand out against a painted background. It's particularly useful for depicting natural details, such as the veins of leaves, ripples in water, or highlights on reflective surfaces. For best results, use gum arabic sparingly, as thick applications may take longer to dry or become difficult to remove. Test the technique on a scrap piece of paper to ensure compatibility with your materials and to refine your approach. Use high-quality watercolor paper to withstand the application and removal process without damage. By exploring gum arabic as a resist, you can add a new level of precision and creativity to your watercolor artwork. Because gum arabic is water-soluble, it's easy to remove after use, making it a flexible alternative to masking fluid. It offers a softer, more natural edge than tape or hard resists, blending seamlessly with watercolor's fluid aesthetic. Elevate your watercolor practice with Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. It offers clear instructions, hands-on exercises, a free product guide, and over 200 instructional videos. This book makes it easier than ever to learn, practice, and master the art of watercolor painting. To learn more, check out Comprehensive Watercolor. The links to purchase are in the description below. Take the guesswork out of choosing watercolor supplies. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide is your free resource for making confident choices. The guide includes paint sets, paintbrushes, palettes, and cool tools. This free guide accompanies the book Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.